I just finished the most epic cross-country trip, and it was incredible. I learned a tremendous amount. I saw some of the most beautiful places on the face of the earth, and I got to encounter some of the most beautiful faces on the journey as well. It was absolutely incredible, and I want to share with you what I learned as I, on sort of a whim, hopped in my car and just took off across the country, applying the transurfing principles and putting them into practice all along the way. It was incredible. This was a trip that I've dreamed about taking for probably about 10 years. And I actually did it without a whole lot of planning or support or any sort of like real itinerary, hardcore strategy. I didn't have my places all picked out where I was going to stay. I wound up going with the flow, and it turned out to be just absolutely incredible. I wound up doing 3 workshops. I only had 2 planned, and I got to do some in-person meetups with people along the way, and I got to meet a lot of really cool new people also. So I had an amazing time, and I want to share with you what I learned on the trip, because I've been having plenty of time to think, plenty of time in the car, plenty of time to evaluate, and plenty of time to connect. And many of the people that I connected with in these cities, they're doing all the right things when it comes to manifestation. They're creating their vision. They're clear on their goal. They're moving toward their purpose. They're doing all the things that they know how to do that people on YouTube are teaching. But there's just one little thing that's missing, and I want to share what that is. I had a bit of a glimpse into this particular idea, and that's why I am calling this new workshop Torch Your Vision Board, Materialization, Not Manifestation. Because vision boards aren't bad, let me be clear. Okay, I'm not saying it's a bad thing to have a vision board, but what winds up happening so often, and we do this without even realizing it, is we create and conjure up a fantasy, and we never actually wind up living that in reality. So I want to address the disconnect here, and I want to teach and share something that you can't really find anywhere else. No one else is talking about this. You'll hear the feeling is the secret, and do your affirmations, and do your binaural beats, and repeat this mantra. And those are all great and fine. But if you've been doing any of those things for more than 6 months or a year, and you haven't seen the results that you wanted to see, then I strongly suggest hopping on this workshop. And I want to give you an insight to your internals, how you're actually hearing what's going on within yourself, so that you can begin to take the signals that you are telling yourself already and apply those to move forward in a practical, meaningful way, and apply these principles so that you actually get the result that you're looking for. Not so that you can continue to fantasize, not that so that you can continue to do 30 or 40 or 50 minutes of visualization every day, or this practice or that practice or this practice or whatever. Nothing wrong with any of those practices. Again, I'm not saying vision boards are bad. I'm saying that we often get hung up on the fantasy of something, and then we don't actually wind up doing the thing or getting the results. So I want to address the disconnect there. That was a big part of me being on this trip, and I took a tremendous amount of time to reflect and connect with people who I met on the road, as well as my own self, my own connection with the universe, to really open up and understand what's actually happening here. And that's what I want to share with you on this workshop. I'm really excited. It's going to be open. It's going to be engaged. It'll be a lot of fun. There are only so many spots though, so you're going to want to click the link underneath this video and sign up for a spot in advance. Hop on that workshop, and we're going to talk about these internal signals that can really help you get where you want to go. No more spinning your wheels, no more nonsense, no more just fantasy, actually transforming reality, because the world is a mirror and it reflects our relationship to it. So we need to fix what's underneath the feeling is the secret. We need to fix what's underneath those affirmations. We need to fix what's underneath the vision board. And that is what I'm going to share with you in this workshop. I'm ecstatic. I'm foaming at the mouth. Cannot wait. Cannot get here soon enough, although I will do my best to remain present and continue to develop the material that I'm going to share. So really excited about it. Click the link underneath this video. I cannot wait to see you there live on August 9th at 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Go ahead and click the link. You can get a reminder from Calendly. It'll shoot you a little message. Hop on, we'll dive deep and we'll engage. I look forward to it. Cannot freaking wait. We'll see you guys then. August 9th, 1 p.m. That's a Sunday. Chomping at the bit over here. Thanks. We'll see you at the workshop.